Oscar and Numbers 1 Multiplication Adventure. Written by Romilda Byrd. Illustrated by Jerick Tan. For Oscar, Maya, Ulises, Mateo, Valentina, Valentin, and Vida, thank you for multiplying the love and joy in our family. You have made our lives fuller in every way. Math symbols. Multiplication. Dear students, Mrs. Garcia said, now that you have all mastered addition and subtraction, it's time to start a new skill, multiplication.
Wow!
Oscar shifted excited in his seat. He worked hard to get good at adding and subtracting. He was ready to learn something new. Multiplication examples.
What is multiplication?
Oscar asked.
Huh?
Multiplication is a special kind of counting. Mrs. Garcia explained it. She picked up some colorful blocks. Let's see. Oscar, can you make 2 piles with 3 blocks in each pile? Oscar carefully arranged the blocks. Great! Now we have 2 groups of 3 blocks. That's what we mean by 2 times 3, or 2 multiplied by 3. Let's count all the blocks together. Oscar counted.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Exactly! 2 times 3 equals 6. Multiplication helps us count quickly. When we have equal groups of things, Oscar's eyes lit up.
Oh, I get it now! Ah!
Let's look at the multiplication of 1. Mrs. Garcia said, let's look at 1 times 0. How many times do we have the number 1 in 0 groups? 0! So 1 times 0 equals 0. A square, circle, table.
Oh!
Let's explore different types of multiplication charts. By using a multiplication square chart, multiplication circle chart, or multiplication table chart, we can clearly see how numbers multiply together. Mrs. Garcia smiled. Let's visit Multiplication Town to learn more. Oscar and his classmate closed their eyes tight. Suddenly, Oscar found himself walking through an old town he will never seen before. A tall figure with a 1 on its chest appeared beside him.
Welcome to Multiplication Town!
It said.
I'm number 1, your guide.
They reached the post office, where a puzzled maid here stood with an empty bag.
How many packages are there?
Number 1 asked. Oscar hesitated.
0? Correct! 1 times 0 equals 0.
Number 1 cheered. The mail carrier knew.
Even counting nothing once, it's still nothing.
Oscar smiled, feeling a little braver about multiplication.
Now, let's multiply 1 times 1. We have the number 1 in one group. So, 1 times 1 equals 1.
At the town square, a lone apple sat on a fruit stand.
How many apples are in one group of 1?
Number 1 asked. Oscar thought hard.
Just 1 apple. Exactly! 1 times 1 equals 1.
Number 1 explained it. The friendly fruit vendor handed Oscar the apple. Great job! Oscar's confidence grew as he bit into crunchy fruit.
Now, let's move on to 1 times 2. we have the number 1 in 2 groups. So 1 times 2 equals 2. Oh!
They pass a bakery with 2 loaves in the window.
How many loaves in one group of 2?
Number 1 questioned. Oscar counted carefully.
2 loaves. Perfect! 1 times 2 equals 2.
Number 1 praised it. The baker smiled, offering Oscar a warm roll. You're learning fast. Oscar munched happily. Realizing multiplication could be tasty and fun.
Next, 1 times 3. Whoa! We have the number 1 in 3 groups. So 1 times 3 equals 3. How many kites in one group of 3?
Number 1 asked. Oscar counted confidently.
3 kites. Excellent! 1 times 3 equals 3.
Number 1 exclaimed. The shopkeeper winked, handing Oscar a small kite pin. Oscar grinned, fitted it proudly to his shirt. Multiplication was becoming a breeze.
Now, for 1 times 4, we have the number 1 in 4 groups. Oh! So, 1 times 4 equals 4.
Oscar and number 1 ventured further to the ice cream stand, where they found 4 cones stacked high. The ice cream seller smiled.
If you have one group of 4 ice cream cones, how many cones do you have?
Number 1 asked.
4 cones, of course,
Oscar answered.
That's right! So, 1 times 4 equals 4.
Number 1 said proudly.
Let's try 1 times 5. We have the number 1 in 5 groups. So 1 times 5 equals 5.
At the park, 5 dogs waddled by.
How many dogs in one group of 5?
Number 1 questioned. Oscar counted quickly.
5 dogs. Spot on! 1 times 5 equals 5.
Number 1 praised. A park ranger gave Oscar some dog feed. Oscar scattered the feed, giggling as the dogs quacked happily. Moving on to 1 times 6. We have the number 1 in 6 groups. So 1 times 6 equals 6. As they walked further, Oscar and number 1 came across a shoe store with 6 pairs of shoes.
If you have one group of 6 pairs of shoes, how many pairs do you have?
Number 1 asked.
6!
Oscar replied with a smile.
Correct! 1 times 6 equals 6.
Number 1 said.
Now, for 1 times 7, we have the number 1 in 7 groups.
Oh!
So 1 times 7 equals 7.
At the music store, 7 guitars lined the wall.
How many guitars in one group of 7?
Number 1 asked. Oscar strummed an air guitar.
7 rocking guitars! You are a star! 1 times 7 equals 7.
Number 1 applauded. The shopkeeper gave Oscar a guitar pick. Keep rocking! Oscar pocketed the pick, feeling like a multiplication rock star.
Let's do 1 times 8. We have the number 1 in 8 groups. So 1 times 8 equals 8.
They reached a pet shop with 8 fish tanks.
How many tanks in one group of 8?
Number 1 question. Oscar counted carefully.
8 tanks! Fantastic! 1 times 8 equals 8.
Number 1 agreed. The shop owner gave Oscar a toy fish. Sensational work! Oscar swam his fish through the air. diving deeper into multiplication.
Next, 1 times 9. We have the number 1 in 9 groups. So 1 times 9 equals 9.
Next, they reached the library, where 9 books were stacked neatly.
If you have 1 group of 9 books, how many books do you have?
Number 1 asked.
9!
Oscar replied.
Perfect! 1 times 9 equals 9.
Number 1 said.
And finally, 1 times 10. We have the number 1 in 10 groups. So, 1 times 10 equals 10.
At last, they found a playground with 10 colorful balls.
How many balls in 1 group of 10?
Number 1 asks excitedly. Oscar counted confidently.
10 bouncy balls! Spectacular! 1 times 10 equals 10!
Number 1 cheered.
I think you have mastered the skill of multiplying 1!
Oscar opened his eye back in class. He smiled, feeling confident.
I love multiplication!
He exclaimed.
I can't wait to learn how to multiply too! Ah.